Gemini is wearing red dress. I love red dress. What about you? What color do you like? どの色が好きですか？どの色？赤、黄色、緑、ピンク、赤。同じね。Same with teacher Gemini. I like to and I like color red too. Okay? Can you say red? Can you say red?
Red.
Yeah, very good. And what about this one? Okay? Okay, this one. Yellow cupcake. Yellow. Say yellow. Say yellow. 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 Very good. I have yellow lemon. Lemon is colored yellow. Can you say it again? Yellow.
Yellow.
You're very good for this. So you have 2 stars. Yay! 2 stars. 2. Yes. Spin it again. Okay, what color is this?
Red.
Red. Very good. Because of that. Can you hear that? Yay! Okay, next. Okay, what color is that?
Yellow.
Yeah, very good again. You did a great job. Next. Okay, I'm going to spin this again. Oops. What color?
Green.
Yay, very good also. Okay, I'm going to turn this last. Okay. Okay, what's this? What color is this?
Red.
Red, very good. You did a great job. Okay, last round, last spin, okay? Spin this again. Where's the blue, 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 blue? Again, what color? What color is it? No, it's again.
Orange.
Yes, orange. Very good. Wow, you're great. Okay, you want more? You want to play again? You want?
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video. For more English lessons, please check our website down below. And to stay tuned for more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon!